Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, December the 29th, 2021. And in this additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus, we have here 6 puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So only 6 extra puzzles or Sudokus. And not all of them I will solve, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming. So half of them, and I will solve the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. And the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku number 3902. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Print the digits. Correct. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see, so let's get started. We have here 1 1. We have here 3 2s. We have here 2 3s, 2 4s, 4 5s. 4 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. 9 5 6 5 6 9. Okay. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 6. What a pity, what a pity. How about the 5 then? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I can continue with the 6. Interesting. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me continue with the 6 then. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. No, I cannot continue with the 6 now. I need to wait. 9s, the 9s. We have 4 9s. Okay, let me see. Well, will be difficult. The 9. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Okay, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay, we have a pair. 6 and 8 in this row. 6 and 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. But we have a 6 and 8 also in this column. So no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. Alright. And now 3. Ooh, let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 2. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 4. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. Let me mark those. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay, that means 1 box left in the first row for the number 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 7 is missing. Then. 1 and 4. Interesting. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 193, 193, 139. Okay, 139. That means we have 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 139, 139 again. 139. And look, we have a 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, so, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. How about the 6? How about the 5? Interesting. 3, 7. Yeah. Well, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this third column is number 7. Well, we see here wait. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Okay. 1, 3, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So no column between the second column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left. In the last column, 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Okay, so here we have a pair, 1 and a 3. So what number is that box then? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay, the 8. All right. Here also the 1 and the 3. 1, 3, 7. 7 should be here. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing, 2, 3, then the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 1 and the 7 are missing. Okay. 5, 5. 2 is also 2, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers are 1. The 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 2 and an 8 in this row. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Do we have all the 5s? Let me count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Yeah. Overlooked. We have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column, the 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. With all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. Yeah. Oh! Apologies. I bumped the camera. I knocked almost the camera off table. Yes. Apologies. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow! Quicker than I expected, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes, and I've solved this in 70 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.